We're gonna peel them off right now. Ready? Go! Okay, welcome to day 3 of the solar install. Here you can see they are running this super thick 1 gauge wire to the garage for our sub panel. So that'll actually power all the cars. So they're actually doing that wire pull right now. And here you can see he is pushing it through. And they have somebody actually on the other side of the house, way in the back, pulling to try to pull all that wire all through that conduit. Up on the front, they did get a second array up already, going real quick. They got all that sanded, probably just give it a coat of paint this morning. And then we'll get a third Powerwall up a little later. So on the new panel, for just the chargers, that's all that'll be in this one. It actually came up here with this really heavy duty like conduit that's coated. So the first and master unit goes down there and will actually be installed right there where the old 1450 outlet is. And then the second two all ran to their locations.
Okay, so they just installed the second array a little while ago, and now they're working on the side skirts.
Yeah, those corner pieces make it.
So this one does not have it installed yet. They'll be doing that in just a minute.
11 o'clock update. The wall has been painted. All of the solar has been hung. Okay, so set up our ladder again so we could get up on the roof. They are officially done on the roof. So here are the panels. You can actually see side skirts on that one over there, this one right here, and then these. So they do leave the top open for some airflow, and everything can still, like rain and everything will go right under that. You can see there's actually one of the connectors I was talking about yesterday. And yeah, I saw this when I was up here the other day. We'll get this repainted. I guess the last painter did a crappy job, so we'll get that taken care of. Okay, well there you go. That's what they look like from up top. Have just a little bit of a gap between them, and that's how they tighten them and get them all attached. Really cool. And here's a close-up of that corner piece. Latches on here and just a little bolt right here. Super nice, finishes it up, looks really good. .624 update. All the Powerwalls are wired in. You can see right there, there's actually a little cover that goes around that. And then there's a whole side plate that'll go on there. But, yeah, there's the side plates. You can see they're all flashing green because they have that common wire hooked up. All mounted, look amazing. We got some wiring for a wall connector over there. We got this one all mounted. And he's working on that one. Okay, so today is the end of day 3. They will need to come out a little bit tomorrow just to fix a few things, such as the wall connector behind David's head. Right there, still missing, so they need to come fix that. They're just letting all the patchwork dry, and then we'll get it sanded and painted, and they'll fix that. But, have some very exciting news. The two high power, or just the wall connectors, I should say, sorry. High power wall connectors, what they used to be called, are actually back here.
So yeah, we have 2 of the 3 installed. Again, we already have this one, it's in the box, but
yeah,
They made the hole a little smaller because we had a NEMA 1450 outlet, and they don't need that. They just need enough room for the cable to come through. So we added some patching to the drywall there.
Yeah, so we'll get the third one installed tomorrow, but we'll show you this because we actually have them working. As you can see, you got your green light all up in there. So David will go ahead and plug in his car.
So we have them set up for load balancing. Yeah, we still have some other work.
So they're gonna come tomorrow too and
clean things up a little bit.
Clean everything up, but they stayed way late today, so I was just like, yeah, don't worry about it. Like it can get fixed tomorrow.
It's gonna be the first time charging with the new Signature Black load balance wall connector. So open it up and push it in. And oh, you know what? I have scheduled charging, so let me just.
Oh, we have scheduled charging,
also,
folks.
It's not set to 48, so let me bump it up to 48.
It's working. And then this blinks like that, just flashes. So nice.
So yeah, and
so fancy. We've been upgraded for sure.
Available.
Okay, and so yeah, David's on 48 amps. You can.
Yeah, just hit 48. Set Eric's car to 48, but it should split it so that we should each have 32, because right now we only have
green
30.
So now they should talk to each other.
Yeah. And it did. It just bounced it down to 32. You see it?
Yo.
And so now if I go to mine, it should be at 32 as well.
Okay, so there you can see mine is at 32.
And mine is at 32.
And now David's.
And then I'll
adjust it to 32.
I'll unplug mine, go back over to yours.
Okay, so he's unplugging his.
Okay.
He just unplugged his. Now mine should jump up to 48. Oh my god, it did it. This is gonna be so nice to have.
That's fantastic.
So this is like the load balancing feature, and this is again why we wanted 3 of them and have them connected like this, so that it gives it and splits it perfectly, and we don't have to worry about it.
Yeah, so we'll have all 3 cars will be able to be plugged in. We don't need to schedule it for the middle of the night.
And then when somebody leaves, the other 2 cars will top up at a faster rate. It does everything automatically. We'll do a whole nother video on this though when we have all 3 charging at once. But just want to give you guys a quick sneak peek. But I know what you all are thinking is, what's up with those? Why are they still covered? Well, we're gonna peel them off right now. So we have cameras everywhere to catch this awesome moment. Okay, the moment is now upon us. We have been given permission to peel the plastic. This is probably one of the most exciting parts of the project besides turning on the system, which we have to wait for a little bit. Do I hear plastic being pulled?
Oh, yeah, uh-oh. Yeah, you better get over here. I'm gonna need help.
Okay, we're gonna do the bottom first, prep it, and then we're gonna from the top. Yeah. Okay, first we're gonna do the middle one. Ready? Yeah, so this is the non-signed one, but it still looks amazing in that Founder Series. Red. Wow. Okay. Shall we? He's working on some plastic still. Should you do one and I do the other at the same time? So that's what we're gonna do. He's gonna pull his. I'm gonna pull this one. Same time. Ready? Ready? Go! 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 David got a little into it, kicked the GoPro. Yeah, so I believe here that spells Elon Musk. Then we have JB, Strabel, and Franz. And then over here,
you can tell they're different.
Yeah. Here we have Elon again, JB, and Franz. They are definitely different. And yeah, it looks almost like a paint pen or a Sharpie.
Yeah.
I don't know, we have to be very careful with this. I'm gonna reach out to Tesla and see if these were sealed on, how to clean these, because God forbid somebody comes by and like comes to clean things and just whoop all the signatures away. But yeah, no, these are 3 Founders Series Powerwalls and they look amazing. Oh, I'm so excited for these. But first, we need a thumbnail. hopefully you guys like them. I think they look amazing in this garage. We're gonna have the black wall connector there tomorrow. The supercharger's gonna go back up over here. Coming along, we have these 3 gorgeous Powerwalls, 2 of which are signed. This wall, we don't know yet. This, we don't know yet. Here we have David's car from the photo shoot we did. And then over here we have things. We'll probably keep like these 2 tool things over here maybe. And that tool chest will actually go underneath these so that nothing ever bumps into them. Because I want to keep those looking as nice as possible. And then, yeah, we're gonna keep down here really super clean, and all the tools will just go up top here. And then down here will just kind of be like the amazing garage that we can just sit and stare at these all day. Okay, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. This is the end of day 3. Tomorrow they will come up, touch up a few things. We might even have our first inspection tomorrow. Then they'll send everything off to Excel, and hopefully we get approval to turn it on soon. They'll come out, put their meters in. Super exciting. I've been very impressed with Tesla this entire time. They have done an amazing job. The crew that came out here, even all the way back to our original contact when we started talking about what we're doing here, and she set all that up. Really, if you guys are watching this, like, this is all you guys, so yeah, don't tear up, it's okay. Like, you guys like did an amazing job. I'm so happy. I really, like, everything looks just beautiful. The conduit, which was a big concern of mine, looks great. It looks amazing. Everything, yeah, it's been a great experience, and I don't have anything negative to say. But yeah, that's basically it. I don't think I'll do a day 4 just because they're just gonna tie up a few things. But we have a lot of updates we'll be doing around here, so definitely keep an eye out on that. A lot of solar videos coming up as soon as we can turn this puppy on. A lot of stuff is gonna be going on. My phone's blowing up, Instagrammed it, so that's probably why. But yeah, I really appreciate all your guys' support. These Powerwalls too, a huge thanks to our referral users. Again, like, those are from you guys. Like, we really appreciate it. Same with the black wall connectors, everything. You guys help make this project possible too. So huge shout out and thank you all for using that. If you are looking for a Tesla though, definitely check out our website, teslainventory.com. You can do new, used, CPO, like everything on there to search for a Tesla that fits your specific needs. Super helpful. And if you're looking for a referral code for an inventory or new Model S or X, feel free to use ours. It's down in the description below and at the top of our website. Using it will actually get you free unlimited supercharging for the life you own your car, which is an awesome perk, especially if you do a lot of road trips. Don't have to worry about it at all. And if you do use it, we're actually gonna be doing a big party when we pick up our next gen Roadster. So we'll invite you guys all out. You can do test rides, just have a big party, because really without your support, none of this would be possible. So really, again, thank you all. This is in part of you too. So yeah, I guess that's basically it. I don't have anything else to say. I just want to stare at these for a little longer. So we'll see you guys later. Don't forget though, thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Click here to subscribe, here for some other ones. We'll see you guys on Monday. Bye.
25/7. Give you all my attention, baby, you're my obsession.